glue dots using this metallic enamel effects basic copper and some mini glue dots. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of this roll, and when they come on the roll, you already have your glue dots on here. So just tear off a piece, however many you need, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to just take a little bit of Post-it note tape, or you can use a Post-it note if you'd like. We're just going to post that down and make it flat. Now, if you're not going to be able to post it down somewhere like this, maybe post it down on a book or something like that so it can be moved. Then all you're going to do, all of these little glue dots, you're going to take your enamel effects and you're going to hold it right up against that glue dot, and you're going to just put a nice blob there, and we're going to do all of them all the way across. You can make them as big or as little as you want, and when you're holding them down into each other like that, that assures that you're not going to get air bubbles. And then you just sit and you wait for it to dry. It's not going to take very long at all. And if you have these on like a book or something, you can pat them down to make sure that you get a nice round. But these are already rounding off, so you're going to be good. You just wait for them to dry, and then you can use them on your cards or journals or whatever you'd like. There's so many different colors too. If you wanted to get, there's real red. There is, what else? There's silver, gold, and then black and white. This is a pearlized white. So many different embellishments you can make using just the enamel effects and some mini glue dots. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.